Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna clean up my engine bay. This is a 2012 Acura MDX, and as you can see I have pretty dirty engine bay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and I recently changed the engine, so I'm gonna show you, and I never clean after. So let's see and start. So I'm starting with prime, which I'm gonna drink, belt conditioner for the belt, brake and parts cleaner. This is engine degreaser, and this is also engine degreaser, and this is the trim. So I maybe put it on the trim after cleaning. And for more help I have the step tool, and to show you how much dirt I collected, I'm gonna use this tarp and this tissue. Okay, so let's start the process. So before I start, I have to remove this part, and I'm also gonna have to disconnect the battery. Disconnected the negative. Now I'm gonna cover this with the plastic. You can just remove both of them if you want to, but as you can see, this bay is pretty dirty. So I'm also using a brush, and as much as you need this cleaning cloth. You have to make sure for any circuit damage or anything, because one of my old car that I was cleaning long time ago, the water went in and it started some problem with my inside of the car. So if you guys wanna be careful with the spark plug and any electric, or if you guys wanna cover the alternator, I'll be just a little extra cautious by the side of alternator. Okay, so let's start. I'll start with water. My engine is pretty warm right now, but it's okay. If you are cleaning a cold engine, it's hard to get the grease off the degreaser. I've got some of the debris already. Put some car washing spray. I'll start with engine degreaser, spray all over. wait couple seconds, then I'm putting some brake cleaner. So now I'm gonna use the brush and now I'm gonna use the microfiber towel to clean some of it. Make sure you dry all the way as much as you can. I know you guys can't do 100%. Everything looks definitely better than before. So now I'm gonna pour more water to remove all the grease and stuff. This is how much I collected, because most of them went away, but I just wanted to show how much dirt was in the engine bay. All of them looks very dirty. Okay guys, I rinse everything. Now I'll be just wiping everything out, so make sure no water. You don't want to turn on the engine right away because still water. Now I will clean the engine and everything with clean clothes. Make sure it's dry. This already looks amazing. Just air dry, or if you have a blower or something, you can blow the water away. I'm also cleaning this. I air dried the engine for half an hour already, looking good. Now I'm gonna put the cover back. I put the cover back. Now I'm gonna use some frame cleaner. You see the difference? Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery. I connected the battery. Now I'll be putting some conditioner on the belt. And I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I just started the car. So guys, I'm pretty much done with cleaning this engine, and this is how you guys can clean your engine bay. And thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you guys find this informative, and take care.